I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors Podcast. And if you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. Appreciate you for stopping by. Where we talk stocks, we talk crypto, we talk side hustles. And these stocks I'm going to share with you today, they're about to go crazy. That's right. They're about to go to the moon. And if you are interested in financial freedom, you interested in paying off debt, this is the podcast. This is the channel for you. Hit that thumbs up, continue to share the channel, and continue to leave positive comments. I appreciate the comments. Keep them coming. Hopefully I'm helping you guys continue to build up financial freedom, invest in yourself as far as whatever business, whatever dream, whatever stock, whatever crypto. This is the community for you. All right. So in any order, I'm going to just going to lay these stocks out, and hopefully by the end of this particular episode, maybe you can consider adding these to your portfolio if you haven't already. Dollar cost average, whatever strategy works for you, because everybody's strategy is different. So the first one that I believe that's going to really take off, and this really has started to catch some type of steam, is Tesla. Tesla is, when I say one of the runners, all these stocks I'm going to share with you are runners. And when I say runners, I mean they go up, and I mean they go up fast. But when they tank and go down, they go down fast. So you have to strategize how you want to get into these stocks. But Tesla, at the time's recording, is sitting at $341. This one right here, they passed the robo-taxis. The robo-taxis, that's the latest news. The robo-taxis hits the streets of Austin. That's right. Shout out to Austin, Texas. And Elon says this is just the beginning for more robo-taxis to hit the streets. Not just for Austin, but other major cities. So stay tuned for robo-taxis, especially in these major cities. My next stock that I got in early, and I'm so glad I got it early, is Pltr, another runner. At the time, Sequoia said $143. But this one right here, this one, to say that maybe about 2 years ago or a year and a half, we were sitting like at $20. We were sitting like at $40. Went from 40 to 60, 60 to like 80, 80 to like 100, and 100 to 120. I mean, what I like about Pltr is no matter what's going on in the market, Pltr seems to keep on going up. And I mean, it just keeps going. That's why I say it's like one of those stocks that has so much upside. And the reason why it has so much upside, because it has government contracts, and also it has defense. Military is working with the military. So anything that's working with the military, you know, it has money, it has the capital. And so this one has a lot of upside. So I want to continue to keep on adding more shares to my shares I already have. Okay, so definitely Pltr is a game changer. Moving to my next stock is Nvda, sitting at $147. This one right here, another one that has a lot of upside. It has a lot of room to go. And I mean, it's especially with AI and how much new it is, and our society is still getting adjusted to AI in the space, in the industry. Nvda is definitely a number one stock that artificial intelligence will run through. Okay. And all the other ones will have a say so, but Nvda definitely is that number one stock, that number one AI stock, the king of AI. That's in my opinion. Moving to Meta, that's one right here sitting at $711. And this one has a lot of upside, because with the internet and with social media, the social media platform, matter of fact, Meta owns WhatsApp. It owns these other social media platforms that branches off of Meta. Okay, so definitely Meta has a lot of room. And not to mention that with artificial intelligence, that industry is collaborating and partnering within that space, Meta definitely will go. And so this one, continue to be innovative, continue to partnerships. I look for this one to continue to go to the moon. Moving to Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase. I have crypto in my Coinbase. Some of them anyway. Sitting at $345. This one definitely can move. The reason why I can move, because of crypto. So Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, all these coins that you can get on Coinbase, it coincides, it correlates. So anytime crypto is going up and going to the next level, Coinbase will shoot up, and it shoots up so fast. That's why I consider this one is probably one of the top runners in this list besides Pltr, but definitely Coinbase has so much room, and I mean a lot of room, because crypto is still new and people is starting to catch wind. And so watch out for Coinbase. Moving to HIMZ. HIMZ sitting at $42.63. This one right here, another runner. This one ran up, I would say probably the last few weeks, to about 60. Now it kind of pulled back down to about 40. And so this is the dip that you want to get into. Anytime a stock pull back, dips, get into it. That's why we buy stocks low. We sell them what? High. That's right. Buy low, sell high. Put it in the chat. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. All these stocks, you definitely want to buy low so you can make so much money when it goes up. Moving to Netflix. Yes, I know it's sitting at $12.79, but like I always say, you can fraction a share today. That's why I continue to fraction a share into Netflix, because this space and this industry is going to continue to make money. The streaming platforms like Netflix will lead the way for other streaming platforms. Everybody and anybody continue to watch Netflix. You want to chill at home, want to be with your friends, your family, you ain't trying to go out, you just want to have a movie night, movie date, Netflix is definitely going to be the winner in the streaming space. Moving to Qubt, that's quantum computing. Early to the party. I mean early, $17.51. This one, got to get into it. If you ain't heard of this one, watch out for this, because it has so much room to run. It has so much upside. So $17 definitely is a no-brainer for me. That's why I'm adding more shares. And my definitely minimum goal for Qubt is 100 shares. Maximum, not setting a limit, but definitely minimum, got to get 100 shares, because this got so much room to go. Just like Pltr went, this is going to go, but this is still new. This is that 2026, 2027, 2028 type investment. Moving to CoreWeave, another new one. This one's sitting at $173. Definitely, long as Nvda is doing what it's doing and moving, CoreWeave is going to correlate, because it's partnered with Nvda, and that's why I continue to want to add more shares to CoreWeave, because it's early to the party and to the AI space, and that's when you want to get in. And then you want to not forget about AMD. That's right, sitting at $137. Another one that has so much upside, because we're going to need these chips, these semiconductors, which is going to help the data centers push out all the different type of AI products and infrastructure. So AMD is definitely going to close off the top runners. Like I said, all these stocks, you might say, Coach Flo, I don't have that much money. Don't worry. Fraction of share, which leaves me with patience. Patience is key. Patience is key to life. Patience is key in the stock market. Patience, you will be rewarded for your patience. There is no shortcuts to success. Okay. If you try to get rich quick, if you try to get rich overnight, this is not the game for you. Definitely, you have to have a strategy and be patient. I mean, like I said, it goes beyond just the stock market. Patience with yourself, patience with others. Definitely, if you play the long game, okay? Patience is key. All right. So you live in a fast life. It's going to lead to destruction. You have to be calculated. You have to be strategic about how you make decisions. Like I said, patience. So if you're wondering something that hasn't taken off, business, dream, vision, be patient. Be patient. All right. You got to be patient because things take time. Nothing happens overnight. All the different athletes, entertainers, nothing happened overnight. You might say, well, they got this, they got that. But look what it took for them to get that. They had to sacrifice something, whether it's good or bad. Patience. I'll leave you with that. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, because like I've said, and I'll close out with this, don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.